This is how to make the perfect chocolate chip cookie. Preheat your oven to 375. Step 1. You're going to want to grab about a half cup of butter and add it to the mixing bowl. I apologize for the bad angle, I couldn't get it to work really. But step 2 is to grab about a quarter cup of compound brown sugar and a half cup of white sugar and add it to the butter. I apologize if I sound very monotone or like depressed. I'm just really sick right now, so that's why it sounds really weird. The next step is to mix it all together in a mixing bowl. Next thing you're going to want to do is add about half a teaspoon of baking soda and 2 cups of flour slowly. Here I had to add just a bit more butter to mine because I didn't measure it out correctly. It is done! They look delicious.